Linear equations in two variables. A linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in this form. A times x plus b times y is equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. We also call them scalars. And both a and b are not equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. What are the variables? The variables are represented by x and y. Okay? So you call them variables because they vary. They vary in value. Example 1, identifying linear equations in two variables. Determine if the equation is a linear equation in two variables. And identify the scalars a, b, and c. Letter A. 7 times x plus 2y is equal to 11. Obviously, it's a linear equation in two variables. A is equal to 7, b is 2, c is 11. How about letter B? Y is equal to 5 times x plus 10. Let us write it in standard form. From y is equal to 5x plus 10, by transposition it becomes negative 5x plus y is equal to 10. A is negative 5, B is 1, C is 10. How about letter C? 50 times x minus 10 times y all over 8 is equal to 5. How can we write it in standard form? Multiply it by the LCD. Multiply it by 8. Okay, so that you can divide 8 in the denominator. So it becomes 50 times x minus 10y. Okay, when you multiply 8 to this term, to the terms on your left side of the equation, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So that is what you call getting cancelled. And 8 times 5 is 40. What then is A? A is 50. B is negative 10. Okay? So it's not just 10, it's negative 10. C is 40. Example 2. Each of the equation is not a linear equation in two variables. Explain why. For letter A, why is this not a linear equation? Well, because your variable x is in the denominator. This is not a linear equation. How about B? B is not a linear equation in two variables. It is a linear equation in one variable only. Letter C is not a linear equation because it is not a degree 1 equation. Okay? I think I forgot to speak about the degree of an equation. I am assuming that you know the degree of an equation. So this one, okay, in order for you to tell the degree of an equation, what you do is you look for the variables and of each terms, and you add the exponent of the variable. So in this case, x is raised to 1, y is raised to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is a degree 2 equation. It is not a linear equation. And of course, letter D is also not a linear equation. It is a degree 2 equation. Linear equations are degree 1 equations. Solutions to a linear equation. The solution to a linear equation in two variables is a set of ordered pairs xy that make the equation true. Example 4. Determine if the given ordered pair is a solution to the equation 5 times x plus 10 times y is equal to 40. Okay, how do you do it? How do you check it? Well, you do it by substitution. Okay? So this is x and this is y. You substitute x, you substitute y. So this becomes 5 times 2 plus 10 times 3. This is 10, this is 30. Their sum is 40. The equation is true. This is part of the solution. How about 5 and 2? 5 times 5 is 25. 10 times 2 is 20. That is 45. It is not equal to 40. So the equation is false. It is not an equation. You know, equation means equality, okay? So obviously they are not equal. And so it is not a member of a solution. Or it is not a member of the solution set. How about 0 and 4? X is 0, y is 4. Is this an element of the solution set of this equation? 5 times 0 is 0. 10 times 4 is 40. Yes. The equation is true. It is a solution. How do you find the solution to a linear equation in two variables? So, what you do is you pick any value of x and then solve for y. Or you choose any value of y and then solve for x. So it will produce a pair, an ordered pair xy, and that is going to be an element of the solution set. And all pairs that satisfy the equation is what you call the solution set. Find 3 solutions to x plus 4y is equal to 70. So what I mean here is find 3 ordered pairs that is a solution or is a member of the solution set for this equation. Well, choose any value of x. Substitute it to our equation 1 plus 4 times y is equal to 17. Solve for y. Okay? Solving for y, this becomes 4y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 4. Why did it become 4? Okay, we divide both sides by 4. Okay, 16 divided by 4 is 4. And so, this is one ordered pair which is an element of the solution set. 1, 4. When y is 0, okay, when y is 0, this is 0, x is 17. Another element of the solution set. When x is 0, okay, 4y is equal to 17. What is y? Y is 17 over 4 or 4 and 1/4. So this is another ordered pair which is an element of the solution set.